Most people list their LLC on their trust, but they forget to transfer the LLC onto their trust. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to put your LLC into your trust without messing it up, because if you do, your business will still have to go through the probate process before your family can take over the ownership of it when you pass away. We help business owners and real estate investors fix this mess all the time, so this is the exact way that you can put your LLC into a trust without triggering taxes and without losing control of your business. So let's talk about what you're really doing when you're transferring your LLC into the trust. You're not transferring the business into the trust, you're transferring the membership interest of your LLC into that trust. The LLC still owns the business assets, the LLC still runs the business, and the taxes are still filed under the LLC. The only difference is that the trust now owns that LLC membership interest, you don't own it. So why would you transfer an LLC membership interest into a trust? This is what you get when you do so. You get to avoid probate, meaning your business will not have to go through the probate process and spend 1 or 2 years inside of the probate process before your family can take over the ownership of that business. You get to keep control while you're alive. You can still be the manager of the LLC and can still be the trustee of the trust and maintain full control over the LLC membership interest. You also get to simplify the inheritance, because in that trust document you get to outline exactly who is going to take over the membership interest and when they're taking over it, and you can set up conditions for them to be able to take over the ownership of your business. And you get to maintain your legacy, because when your LLC does not have to go through the probate process, it gets to avoid legal disputes during the probate process, and other people cannot tie up your business inside the probate process and risk it going under. So let's talk about the steps that you would take to put your LLC membership interest inside of a trust. The first thing that you want to do is pick the right type of trust. There's 2 main types that you can choose, which is a revocable or an irrevocable trust. With the revocable trust, you're going to avoid the probate process and you can still maintain control over your LLC membership interest while you are alive as a trustee, and you get to outline who is going to take over the ownership of that LLC and when they take over the ownership of it. With an irrevocable trust, your LLC will have asset protection from any lawsuits or creditors coming after you as an individual. The only problem is that you will not be able to maintain control over it, because with an irrevocable trust, you cannot be the trustee of it, meaning you have no control over the assets inside that trust. But the benefit of the irrevocable trust is that you get to reduce your taxable estate. So if you're above a certain threshold of your estate value, then you can reduce the amount of assets inside of your estate to reduce the amount of estate taxes that your family would have to pay when they take over the inheritance. Most people are just going to choose a revocable trust so that their business will avoid the probate process, and then they can outline who is going to take over the membership interest and when. You want to make sure that your trust has language in there that allows the trustee to manage the LLC membership interest when you're putting the LLC inside of it. If you already have a trust, you can have a trust attorney review if you have it set up correctly. Step 2 is going to be adding the LLC to your trust document as the schedule of assets. Every trust has a list of assets that it gets to manage, so this is going to be called your schedule of assets. You need to add your LLC membership interest to that document. Now, this shows your intention to put the LLC membership interest inside of the trust, but it does not place the LLC membership interest inside of the trust. You have to actually assign the membership interest, and we will go over that in the next section. So step 3 is going to be assigning your LLC membership interest into the trust, which basically means that you're transferring ownership out of your name and into the name of the trust. And this is done through a document called an assignment of membership interest. This document basically will include the name of the LLC, the current owners, the name of the trust that you're going to put it into, the percentage of ownership that you have, and then you're going to sign it in front of notary witnesses per your local state laws. Now, this document is typically not filed with the state, but you want to make sure that you're keeping the original and the copies with your LLC membership documents and with your trust documents. Step 4 is going to be updating your operating agreement for your LLC if you need to. Now, you need to make sure that you're updating your operating agreement to reflect the new owner, which is going to be your trust. You need to check your LLC operating agreement to make sure that it does not need to be updated. Typically, what you're going to be including on that is going to be who the members are and then how the assignment of that membership interest can be transferred. You need to update the names on the LLC and the ownership structure of it to show that the trust is now the owner of that LLC membership interest. And just as a side note, you can still be the manager of the LLC even though the trust owns the LLC. And then step 5 is going to be notifying the other members if you have a multi-member LLC. Now, if you do have a multi-member LLC, you need to check the operating agreement and make sure that the other members do not need to approve you transferring your membership interest into the trust. Some LLCs will require you to get permission from the other members of the LLC, and if you do need their permission, just get that in writing so you have the proper documentation to allow you to transfer your membership interest into that trust. Step 6 is going to be updating your state business records. Most states will not require you to report the members who own the LLC membership interest, but some do. If your state does, you need to go to your Secretary of State and file your amendment to the Articles of Organization and update your annual report. Step 7 is going to be notifying your banks, your partners, and your licensing agencies. This is going to be for LLC has bank accounts, loans, licenses, and vendor relationships. You may need to update your ownership records with these institutions to reflect that the trust now owns the LLC membership interest. Most of the time, you won't need to open up new accounts, but in the event that you do, you need to bring your Articles of Organization and the trust certificate to prove that you have the authority to manage the LLC membership interest and that the LLC membership interest is actually inside of that trust. Let's go over some housekeeping that you need to do when you put your LLC membership interest inside of the trust. The first one will be that you need a new EIN number when you transfer the membership interest into the trust. It really depends on the type of trust that you have. If you have a revocable trust, no, because you're still filing those assets on your personal tax returns. But if you have an irrevocable trust, you're removing those assets out of your estate and you're putting them inside of the irrevocable trust, and you'll be filing those assets on the irrevocable trust tax returns. And with the irrevocable trust, you will need a new EIN number. What happens if you forget to transfer the membership interest into the trust? It means that the membership interest will still be in your personal name, and any assets in your personal name when you pass away will still have to go through the probate process, meaning that it can take 1 to 2 years for your family to take over the ownership of that business after you pass away. The problem with this is that when your LLC has to go through the probate process, it's effectively frozen. Your executor of your estate has no ability to take over the operations of that LLC or make any major operational decisions on behalf of it. So you could lose vendor relationships, client relationships, employees, etc., and you will not be able to do anything about it, and your business could literally collapse inside of the probate process. It's a risk that you are facing if you do not avoid the probate process and pass your LLC directly down to your family. The other problem is if you don't have asset protection, the LLC membership interest is still exposed to any liabilities that you may have. So any lawsuits or creditors coming after you while you're alive can still come after the LLC membership interest if you keep it in your personal name. Also, when you pass away and it's going through the probate process, creditors that you owe money to will be able to come after the LLC membership interest to satisfy any debts that you owe them. So let's talk about some common mistakes that we see people make that we have to fix with business owners and real estate investors when they're trying to put their LLC membership interest inside of a trust. The first one is going to be listing the LLC membership interest in their trust, but not actually assigning the membership interest into the trust and letting the trust take over the ownership of that LLC. The next one is going to be transferring the LLC membership interest into the trust when the operating agreement does not allow you to do so. And then not updating your business licenses or your bank accounts. And the biggest one of all is waiting until you are incapacitated or you have passed away, at which point you can't do anything about it and your family's just going to have to deal with the repercussions of you not having an estate plan put in place and your business having to go through the probate process, or if you are incapacitated, them having to go to the courts to be able to take over the authority to manage that business on your behalf when you are incapacitated. Look, transferring an LLC membership interest into a trust is not difficult, but you have to make sure that you are doing it right. Otherwise, it's not going to work. You won't avoid the probate process. You won't have someone there for incapacity planning, and your LLC will not have asset protection from creditors or lawsuits coming after your estate. If you want to make sure that your family is taken care of, that the business will go directly down to your family when you pass away, or that the business has asset protection from any of your liabilities, click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.